Retrofit fire alarm systems. Introduction. Retrofit fire alarms are typically used when upgrading or modifying existing fire alarm systems without completely replacing them. This approach is common in older buildings where installing a new system from scratch would be costly or impractical. Why do people retrofit fire alarms? Upgrading technology. Some older fire alarm devices may not meet modern safety standards, so retrofitting allows for improved functionality while keeping parts of the original system. Cost efficiency. Instead of replacing an entire system, retrofitting can be a more affordable way to enhance fire alarm performance. Compatibility issues. Some buildings have legacy systems that don't support newer alarms, so retrofitting helps integrate modern devices with existing infrastructure. Aesthetic or space constraints. In some cases, retrofitting is done to fit alarms into tight spaces or maintain a certain visual appearance. Is retrofitting fire alarms safe? Retrofitting fire alarms can be safe if done correctly, but there are risks, and those risks will be on the next 3 slides. Improper installation. If alarms are start incorrectly, they may not function as intended, leading to delayed or failed activation. Code compliance. Fire safety regulations may not permit certain retrofit setups, so it's important to check local codes. Interference issues. Some alarms may interfere with each other's operation, affecting sound output or strobe visibility. More information on retrofit alarms in general. If retrofitting is necessary, it should be done by professionals who understand fire safety standards and system compatibility. Florida regulations on retrofitting fire alarms. Building code compliance. Fire alarm systems must comply with the Florida Building Code, which aligns with NFPA 72 standards. Smoke alarm retrofits. In 1-family and 2-family dwellings, smoke alarms can be retrofitted with 10-year non-replaceable batteries instead of being hardwired. Fire protection system installation. Fire alarm retrofits must be installed by certified contractors and meet NFPA standards. Backflow prevention retrofits. Add in a backflow prevention device to an existing fire protection system may reduce water pressure and cause system malfunctions. Comparison of Florida versus other states. Florida requires compliance with NFPA 72 and the Florida Fire Prevention Code. Retrofitting must be done by certified contractors, and smoke alarms in residential buildings can be upgraded with 10-year non-replaceable batteries instead of hardwiring. California has a stricter fire safety laws, often requiring seismic consideration for alarm systems. Due to earthquake risks, fire alarm retrofits must meet California Fire Code and Title 24 building standards. New York requires fire alarm retrofits to comply with NYC Building Code and Fire Code, with additional mandates for high-rise buildings and older structures. Texas follows NFPA 72, but enforcement varies by city. Some municipalities require third-party inspections for retrofitted fire alarm systems. Illinois has specific requirements for fire alarm monitoring, ensuring retrofitted systems are connected to emergency response centers. The end. Well, I think that just about does it for this video of retrofit fire alarm systems. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope this helps some people understand a little better why some places have retrofit fire alarm systems, and also understand the risks such things can have. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you all next time.